Here's an example of how to know if the verbal description, which is right here, the equation right here, and the table match each other. So we're going to start with the verbal description. It says 10 years older than your sister. So if you are always 10 years older than your sister, then what we don't know right now is how old your sister is. Okay, so that can be represented by a variable because it might change. Your sister might be 15 and you might be 25. Your sister might be 2 and you might be 12. Whatever her age is, you're going to be 10 years older than that. So this is the variable. And if you are older, that means your age is being added to your sister's. So, the 10 years is being added to your sister's age. So here's my equation. Here's a variable. We're using x right here to represent however old your sister is. And then we're adding 10 because we're adding 10 years to the age. So here's how our table matches that equation and that description. So if x is your sister's age, remember we said that your sister's age has to be the variable, and then y is how old you are, okay? So we can use this equation to get y, to figure out how old you are. So if x is 25, I'm going to plug in 25 for x. So I just turned x into 25, and I'm just rewriting my equation. So 25 plus 10 is 35, okay? So that's how I got y. If x is 35, I'm going to plug in 35 for x plus 10 equals, and then y should be 45 because 35 plus 10 is 45. So if you plug in these values for x in my equation, you will get y.